The topic which I have taken today is tenses. What are tenses? The very first question. Tenses are the form of the verb. These form of verbs give us two vital informations. Number one, the time of an action, and second, the state of an action. In English, tenses are basically of three types. Number one, present tense. Number two, past tense. And third again, the future tense. So these are the major categories of tenses. By studying them with the help of examples. Number one, John writes a letter. Second, John wrote a letter. Third, John will write a letter. Now, as we have seen in these examples, it is very clear that the first sentence is giving us a vital information about it. That is, it is telling us that the action has taken place in the present time. From the second sentence, we can conclude that the action of writing a letter by John has taken place in the past time. And from the third sentence, it is very clear that the action of writing a letter shall take place by John in the future time. Now, for a detailed study, let us take one tenses. In today's class, we are going to study only present tense. So let us take present tense first. A present tense. Simple present tense. First of all, we will take the very first category of present tense, that is the simple present tense. Another name for simple present tense is present indefinite tense. The simple formula for writing a sentence in simple present tense is subject plus first form of verb. For example, he goes to school. The sun rises in the east. In this sentence, as we can see, the subject, that is he and the sun, they both are the subjects, and goes and rises, they are the first form of the verb. So from the formula we can conclude that the sentence is in simple present tense. Now the second category of present tense, that is present continuous. The general formula for writing a sentence in a present continuous tense is subject plus is or am or are plus first form of verb with ing. Let us better understand this with the help of few examples. I am writing. Second, he was, he is learning. Third, we are studying. Subject plus helping verb plus verb first form and ing. Now the third category of present tense, that is present perfect. A present perfect tense tells us that an action which has started in the past time has got completed in the present tense at the time of speaking. The simple formula for writing a sentence in present perfect tense is as follows. Subject plus has or have plus third form of verb. Example, I have taken lunch. Second, we have done our homework. The fourth category of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. A present perfect continuous tense tells us that an action which started in the past time is taking place in the present and will also continue in the future to an unknown time. We can better understand this with the help of an example. Number 1. The general formula for studying the present perfect continuous tense goes as subject plus has or have plus been plus first form of verb ing plus since or for plus time impression. Example, I have been studying for 2 hours. We have been living in Jaipur for 3 years. This is all about the present tense today. In the next class, we will continue the topic past tense. Thank you.